Introducing Blooming Tables. Blooming Tables is an elegant, functional living table that seamlessly brings the beauty of the outdoors indoors. Planters haven't changed in centuries, leaving us with a handful of typical options to house our plants. And space for gardening can be very limited, especially in urban areas. Blooming Tables is the most beautiful option to grow plants indoors by seamlessly integrating plants into our lives. We've made it easy to set up and maintain. Simply add soil, plants, then water. Our waterproof tables ensures a leak and mess-free environment. And our durable, lightweight tempered glass is held down using UV-resistant suction cups, making it easy to access while protecting your plants from children and pets. Your blooming table arrangement is a gorgeous canvas for you to design, and watering and caring for your creation is a breeze. Ran out of space for plants in your windowsill? Add a blooming table. Place a blooming table in your home's entrance to brighten your entryway, liven up your living room, or bring warmth and personality into your office. With a sleek and minimalist design, your blooming table will fit easily into any room of your home. We believe plants bring beauty and serenity into our lives. The more plants, the more beauty. Join us in beautifying homes and offices, one blooming table at a time.
Hi, I'm Dustin, the creator of Blooming Tables. After my girlfriend's love for plants rubbed off on me, it wasn't long before we were running out of places to keep them. I wanted to find a solution that would seamlessly introduce more plants into our homes in a new and exciting way. Thus, Blooming Tables was born. Blooming Tables was carefully designed to be both a stunning piece of furniture and the perfect environment for your plants. After many prototypes and finalizing manufacturing, we're ready to place our first order. Now, we just need your help. Please back our Kickstarter today and share our campaign with your friends and family. Together, we can beautify indoor spaces everywhere by seamlessly incorporating more plants into our lives. Thank you.